baby. What a little cutie. Also, they carry disease. Oh, is it something wrong
Oh, I don't know. No, it's probably a fledgling. Just needs to go back outside.
Hi, baby. I think you probably don't want to be in here. What you looking at?
I think if I make some noise from this end.
Maybe it hasn't developed its hearing yet.
Nah, I don't think it developed its fear of humans yet. Not about hearing, I don't think.
Oh, there it goes. Okay.
It's okay. It's definitely a baby.
Yeah. It can't keep up on its legs. It's so cute. Oh my god. Its little legs are just sliding out from underneath
Hi,
it.
sweetheart. Do you
Hi,
need
baby.
help? Do you need help getting out?
Want me to grab it?
I don't mind grabbing it. Hold on.
Oh.
Wow, what a big god. Okay, I actually never grabbed a bird before.
Okay.
So I think if you grab it by the back and the front at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Alarm.
Okay, that's his mommy alarm.
Okay. All right. Good job, little boy. He's so cute. Drag it off the ground.
No, he might just be learning to fly, and his parents will get him then.
All right.
That's how they roll. It's okay. He's totally fine. You made it, buddy. Oh, he's celebrating Christmas in July early with our Christmas tree.